The English Spirit Distillery, as we're called, was founded about 10.5 years ago by master distiller Dr. John Waters. He used to be a biochemist, but he got into distilling with the philosophy to try and make the best spirits that we possibly can.
When I first came here, it was a barn. There was a concrete floor. It wasn't anything like it is now. They told me what they wanted their end result to be. Straight away I knew that I wanted to work with Altro. We love their products. They're really good products and they've never failed us. We came up with what we thought would work well for them. And being a barn, it's got a lot of echo. So we knew we need something to dampen down that sort of as much as possible without using carpet. That's where Altro Ensemble came into play with the sound reduction, the look, the comfort underfoot, and just all-round durability because of the design work we could do with it.
Because we project managed every aspect of this building, including a lot of woodwork that we'd done ourselves, it was really important that we found exactly the right design of flooring that was going to perfectly complement the building. And so the Ensemble range definitely delivered that and was given a really good finish that we've been really pleased with.
In the kitchen, we used Altro Stronghold, which is their kitchen grade vinyl. High slip resistance, even when you get fats and grease on it, it's still there. It's why it's designed for kitchens. That with the Altro Whiterock, which is easy cleanable, obviously it's good for hygiene. They're a match made in heaven. You know, they work beautifully together, the winning combo for any commercial kitchen. Throughout the whole project, one of the issues we had was the type of subfloor that was already down. It was a polished concrete. So we used Altro Express Lay in the bathroom. It meant that we could fit it straight down to the floor. There was no prep needed, which meant time was cut in half, but they still get that good end result.
We get lots of compliments in our bathrooms, which makes a big difference in places of nice hospitality, so they were really good.
I get asked, oh right, what would you recommend? I always go to Altro because I know it won't fail me. We've used other products in the past, and we've had issues with some. Altro, you know, even just the backup that you get from Altro is second to none. We all work well together, and they're always more than happy to come down and look at things for you. So yeah, definitely would always recommend Altro above any of the others.
This has been a really interesting project to work on for us, taking so many different elements such as a cafe, a kitchen, a shop, as well as a working distillery, combining them all into one building. It was a really unique challenge to solve, and both Altro and First Floors were really helpful in helping us work out the best solution. Now we've got something that we're really proud of, that looks great, all of our customers tell us really good, and so it was a great project to work on.